Butter cookies or butter biscuits, also known as Danish biscuits, are cookies originating in Denmark consisting of butter, flour, and sugar. They are similar to shortbread cookies. The butter cookie is often categorized as a crispy cookie due to its texture, caused in part by the quantity of butter and sugar. Butter cookies, as they are most basic, have no flavoring, but they are often flavored with vanilla, chocolate, and coconut, and topped with sugar crystals. They also come in a variety of shapes, such as circles, squares, ovals, rings, and pretzel-like forms, and with a variety of appearances, including marbles, checkers, or plain. Garbage disposals can handle most food waste as long as it's in small pieces. Peanut butter, sticking nuts to reduce disposal on heavy cycle, doesn't fare much better in the garbage disposal. Please avoid putting peanut butter in the garbage disposal, it's so oily and sticky, and the water and the blender can spoil it.